Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. I'll walk you through all the best deals. I know the video is coming out a little bit later than normal. I feel like when it's not just a new week, but also a new month of deals, with it being November this week, it takes me just a little bit longer to put everything together. This weekend has been crazy. So many fun things. Right after school, my son had opera rehearsal. And then I had a little date night on Friday night, which was lovely. And then Saturday, it was like back-to-back stuff all day long, ending with a Dia de los Muertos party, which was lovely. Sadly, though, while I was at the party, I got news that Matthew Perry had passed away, and that's just heartbreaking. I think many of you know how much I loved the show Friends, and I had read his book recently when it came out, and he brought happiness to so many people. So that was heartbreaking to hear that news. And now it's Walgreens Sunday. So let's focus on the deals. So I did not have a digital booster this week, a spend booster where you spend a certain amount, you get money back. I did have a paper booster that I got on Saturday from a purchase. So that was spend 40, get 9. I'll tell you how I use that here in just a little bit. At the end of this video, I will share pictures of a few additional deals as well as everything I saw on clearance. My store's marking a lot of stuff down right now, but it's starting slowly, like 30 and 50%. It's not to like 75 or 90% for most of the items yet. However, if you see these big chewy nerds, these were marked 90% off. So check your store and see if you can find those. I'm kind of wondering if Walgreens will pop up with another like candy booster today or tomorrow with Halloween coming up. So I'm so excited. Y'all know I live where it's hot and it feels like it's just hot and hotter. It's supposed to be cold for Halloween. There's a cold front coming through, and I'm so happy because my costume is hot, hot, hot. As in temperature, it is warm. I'm actually dressed up as a guy this year, so that's new and different. Speaking of, drop me a comment below. You know we've dressed up every year matching, and so my son and I have matching costumes again this year. Let me know with that little hint of technically I am a guy character, what you think we're dressing up as this year. And next week I will of course share a picture of the cuteness, but I'm excited that he still wants to dress up with me. I love that. We will do that theme as a family until he says no, which might be next year. We'll just have to wait and see. All right, deals. Let's talk about the easiest one. This Neutrogena right here, $3.49. I had a $3 digital coupon. Look for that. That makes it just 49 cents. Also, look in your digital coupons for a $10 off to L'Oreal coupon, and then start looking for L'Oreal clearance. So I did this one curbside, and I picked up the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara at $6.99. I then picked up a lipstick at $2.74 because it's buy one, get one half off. So $6.99, with this being half off, it was $2.74. That $10 digital for curbside or online is going to deduct the amount of the items up to $10. So if it's like $9.70 something, which I believe mine was $9.73, it deducted $9.73, making my final cost $0. Now, if you went in store and the total was $9.73, that $10 coupon will not come off. In store, your total has to be above $10 for that $10 digital to come off. So just remember that. That's why I placed this as a curbside order. You could get 2 lipsticks, you could get 2 mascaras and pay just a little bit out of pocket, however you want to work it if you have that $10 digital coupon. Now, I mentioned that these nerds were 90% off at 29 cents. I noticed this Amapay, I think that's how you say it, the Teddy Perfect electronic foot file. I noticed it was $18.99 marked on clearance. Now, I had seen what I thought were like Ibotta offers. It was actually on their refills. But when I scanned this in store, it popped up with a $10 Walgreens coupon. So I did use that coupon, and I purchased this as part of my spend 40, get 9. So my final cost on this was $8.89. If your store has it and they have a few of them, maybe wait and see if they mark it down even more, and then that $10 digital could possibly make it free. But this, I mean, if you know someone who might like this for Christmas, it's an inexpensive Christmas gift. Now, the Poise. This one I did as curbside, and it got a substitution, so it didn't quite work out the way I wanted. But let me tell you the best way to do this. Now, the Poise liners and pads, some of them are 2 for $12. Okay, you want to pick a pad and a liner to total to $12, okay? There is a $5 digital coupon, and then on Ibotta, there are 2 different offers. There is a $5 for the pads and a $2.50 for the liner. So that's going to be your best deal. Now, I ended up with 2 liners instead, so I couldn't get that $5 from Ibotta. I just got the $2.50 from Ibotta. Now, if you wanted to do just the pads are 2 for $12. There's a $5 digital coupon. You would pay $7, getting back just the $5 from Ibotta if you did both pads, leaving it to be $2 for your final cost, or just $1 each. But that pad plus the liner, $5 digital, getting back the $5 and the $2.50 on Ibotta is your best bet for the money. Now, the Charmin Gain Bounty products are all $5.49 this week. They are purchase 4, get a $5 register reward. I purchased 2 of the toilet papers because I had 2 different digitals. And I purchased 1 of the Bounty Essentials and 1 of the Gain, all because I had individual digital coupons for each. So 1 of the Charmin's, $5.49, I had a $2.50 digital coupon and then a $1 digital coupon. So I bought 2 of those. The Gain, I had a $1.50 digital coupon, and then the Bounty Essentials, I had a $1 digital coupon. So my total for all 4 was $15.96. Then I got back a $5 register reward, making my final cost $10.96 for all 4 of them, or $2.64 each. Great price. Yes, you could use your Walgreens cash to pay because you're getting a register reward back. It is not a spend deal. You are buying 4 of them, so you could use your Walgreens cash to pay. You could use your register rewards from last week to pay. You're still going to get that register reward back. Hopefully that made sense. Let's say you don't need 4 of them and you have that $2.50 digital. You could pick up 1 at $5.49 and use that $2.50 digital and score yourself some inexpensive toilet paper. Now, the Old Spice. Again, this can go a couple of different ways. I'm going to show you how I did it. These are regular price, $7.49 each. I bought 2 of them. Now, I had a $3 digital. I'm hearing some people have a $5 digital. I only had the $3. Just check your account. Use the one that's the highest value. I paid $11.98. I got back a $4 register reward from Walgreens, and I got back $5 on Ibotta, making my final cost $1.49 each. Now, check your Ibotta. Mine was $5. Some people have $2 each, which would be $4 back on Ibotta. So just double check your coupons, double check your Ibotta, see what you have, and if the deal still makes sense for you. Now, my paper booster that I said I had of spend 40, get 9, I bought the 4 Bounty and Gain together. I purchased the Old Spice, and then I just used this AmaPay to get me over that $40 mark. Then I got back the 9 for spending 40, plus the $5 register reward for the Bounty and Charmin, and the $4 register reward, and I bought it back on the Old Spice. So that's how I chose to use my paper spend booster. Of course, using a spend booster like that meant I could not pay with my Walgreens cash. I used cash to pay, so I would get that $9 back. Is it possible to use Walgreens Cash on a spend deal? Yes. I have an entire video that tells you how to do that. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, please check out that tutorial video. I will link it down in the comments below. Hopefully I remember. As well as all of my tutorials where I break Walgreens down super simple. That way, if you're new, you can understand it. While I was talking, I remembered something. Oh, Procter & Gamble. So, of course, I always submit my receipt to pggoodeveryday.com because I'm buying Procter & Gamble products. I get points back. I can take those points and cash out to gift cards. That is a free program. I will drop a link to it down in the comments below. But also check rebates right now. I believe the holiday rebate is out where you spend 20, you get back 5, or if you're spending more, you can spend 50, and I want to say it's get back 15. Don't quote me, I'll put it up here on the screen. I don't trust my memory. Okay, I think that was everything. Is there anything I'm forgetting to tell you? I'm really curious what y'all think our Halloween costume is going to be, and I would love to see your guesses, so definitely drop that down in the comments. Oh, this is the other thing I want to tell you. I have been posting Amazon deals like crazy. I've been posting all sorts of deals to the community tab. So if you're not looking there, please look there so you're not missing deals. It's easier than posting a whole video on something that's like, you know, super simple that I can do in a picture. So from my homepage on YouTube, if you scroll over to where it says community, click there and you're going to see like all of the recent stuff that I have posted with details and links. So check there as well for like daily deals. All right, hope y'all have a fantastic week. Would also love to know what y'all are going to be for Halloween, so drop it down in the comments as well. Thanks.